Hi, do you have any picky eaters at home? One fun way to help with the anxiety around tasting new foods is to have a plan and to make the plan a little bit engaging. So you could do plans where they have red foods on Monday, blue foods on Tuesday, yellow foods on Thursday. If your kids are a little bit older than that, you can have some autonomy where maybe you do Taco Tuesday or McDonald's Monday or whatever is for dinner on Wednesday, or you do some sort of plan where the person that's experiencing picky eating knows what's coming. That safety and their nervous system will allow for more exposure of unsafe foods. So if you're consistently exposing unsafe foods and there's a consistency of rigidity in their nervous system, they need to be able to experience some sort of relaxation so that they can try the exposure food. They need to feel some sense of safety and trust, so they're more likely to take a leap of faith to try something that they're not quite too sure what it's going to be. Now, if you're looking at, okay, what can they eat? Saltine crackers. They're very beige, they're crunchy, they're predictable. Find something similar like a chestnut or a water chestnut. Those are very similar color. They're a little bit colder, but they're crunchy and they're typically predictable. And that's going to have a lot of fiber that the saltine might not. And so you want to find similar colors, similar textures, one texture foods like cherry tomatoes, scary, bright red, they have a firm outer shell and they pop, they're unpredictable, they're all different sizes. But maybe a frozen berry that's similar in texture, cold, crunchy, would be safer. Red's typically a more scary food. Most mammals are like, ooh, red poison. So more neutral colors that are similar to their safe foods is going to be easier to explore, easy to expose, and typically easy to try. Again, trial does not mean they have to like it, but trial 3 to 5 bites is a good starting point. If you're not getting to that point, talking about it, looking at it, describing it, and just getting really safe with it without the exposure would be your first step. If you do need help from an person outside of the home, find a dietitian that is specifically trained in ARFID. Call your insurance, ask around, ask your provider. They should have someone that they can refer to. Hope this helps.